OMG. He's too smart for this one. For someone so smart, he's so dumb when we tell him to do. Oh, the TV!
The TV gonna fall. Peaceful.
It's peaceful.
You're gonna break it and scratch it. Oh my goodness. Where's those birds? Where are they?
You see the excitement?
Si Samji just quiet.